Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band.
Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mebz Info. And today I'll be sharing with you on another great idea on how you can create your own logo for your YouTube, Instagram or Facebook account through your smartphone. So please take it. So guys, let's get this video started. First of all, we need to go to the Play Store. After that, search for an app which goes by the name Mebz. Here it is. As I have already have it pre-installed, I will directly open it, but you need to download it as you are doing it for the first time. Now I have opened it. This is how it appears. Now this is the interface of the Mebz. Click on this plus option down below on the screen. Then this is the process where we start editing. We have options like replace, collages, templates, backgrounds. But since we are going to be learning on how to create a logo, so I will go to this option of color backgrounds and I'll be choosing the color of white. So sorry for the ad, there's an ad in this app. So I have chosen the color white. Now we will go to the tools option down below, the second option. Then we can click on the crop option, the first one in this mini screen. So there are variable sizes like square, 3:4, 3:2, 16:9. So I would like to go for the square option since it will be a great option for creating a logo. So I will choose the text option here, as you can see down below. I will choose the letter M, which goes by my channel name. I will tick up there. Now I will resize it and choose a color. So I'll go by the black color with M, and this will be the font that I'll be going to use. You can resize it, you can make it bigger by expanding it upwards, or you can tilt it by this arrow sideways, downwards. You can do as you please. I'll just make the size. I'll just place this letter somewhere in the middle. So here it is, it looks fine. So I'll tick on the tick option above on the right hand side on the top corner of the screen. So there. Now I will choose another letter from the text option. I will choose B, small b. I will be creating this logo based on my channel name. So here it is, B, I have placed it. Now I will choose another color. I will go with this red color. Here it is. I'll just adjust its size. So since some of you might be doing this for the first time, it might take some time, so you can take as much time as you want to adjust on how you want the design to be. So I'm satisfied with this small b. I will click on the tick option on the right hand side of the screen. So here it is. Now I will use another text with the letter I. So here I it is. I will change the color so that you can see. I'll go with the blue color. I will readjust its position. Here it is, as you can see. I'll go with this blue color, it looks more attractive. Expand it a little bit. I will not tilt it, I will make it straight. So I'm pretty much satisfied with I. So I will tick it again on the top right corner. I'll choose another letter from the text option. I will go with N, small n. I will tick it. Now I'll place this N right here. And just adjust its size a little bit. I'll change first the color so that you can see. I'll go with this red color. I'll place the N just besides I. So the placement has to be very calm, has to be done very slowly so that it goes in line with the other letters. Here it is, it's done. So I'll tick on the tick option on the right hand side. Now I need to choose a design. I will go on this option down below which says draw. I'll go on draw and I'll click on draw. Now I will choose a color first on the option down below on this box. So I'll go with slight yellow, then I'll give it a tick. Now I will choose on the first, second, third, fourth, the fourth option where there is a circle and a square with a plus sign. I will go there and I will choose this option which is like a thunder design. I will go on the fill option and I will tick on OK. Now I will design this logo of mine. There I simply drag the thunder downwards. Now I will readjust its size so that it will look good. I can rotate it sideways. Now it looks pretty good now. So there's one design. I will tick on the tick option on the right hand side, on the top right hand side. Now I will choose the same design again. I'll go on draw, click on draw, then I will choose a color again. I'll go with a bit of orange, maybe another color. Need to go with pink. Hopefully the color balances out. I will go in this circle and square and plus option again. I will choose the thunder once again but go with the fill option. I will click on OK. Now I will simply drag it here. As you can see, I will resize it. I will change it upside down. So now it kinda looks like an F. Just resize it more. Here now it looks like an F. Just put it here. It looks more attractive. There you go. There. That looks better. I will put on the tick option above. Now I will go on text and I will choose the letter O. I will tick on the top right hand corner. Now here it is. I will choose a color. Let's see what color would we be using. This looks good. I will resize it. Now as you can see, the spelling goes Mebz info. It's just like my channel. So I'm pretty much done. I'll just adjust its position. As you can see here, so it's done. I will tick on the tick option on the top right corner. Here it is. Now we'll just add another text by my channel name, Mebz info. Then I will tick it. Then I will drag it down here. I will show you how it is written. Here it is. I will choose another font here. There are many fonts to choose from here. I like this font, so I'll choose this font. Make the size a little bigger. I will choose the stroke option down here below. Now this looks good. So it's done, it looks good. I will tick on the tick option on the top right corner once again. So the logo is pretty much done. Now I will just need to change its shape. So I will go to the tools option, then there's the third option on the top, shape crop. I will go there. So there are many shapes here like triangle, circle, love. I will go with the circle shape. I'll just expand this circle, make it look more round. I think that looks good. So I'm done here. So I click on this arrow which points towards the right on the top corner of the screen. Now I will save it. So it's saved to my stickers. Sorry for the ad once again. So it is pretty much done. I will save it now. I will choose on this save option down here, and I will save the picture on my device down here on the bottom of the screen. So there it is saved to my gallery. Now I will simply go back to my gallery and check it out. Here we go. Here it is, as you can see. Now this is the logo that I just created. I can use it for my Facebook, Instagram, or wherever I need. So guys, thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for many more exciting videos to come in the future.